Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Andy again. This is just gonna be a quick video. I want to show you an unboxing of something I ordered abroad, specifically in China. I want to show you what's in the box. I'm so excited to unbox this, guys, kasi this is really new. This just came out, I believe, a month or two ago. This is from the company Insta360. For those who don't know what Insta360 company is, they sell 360 cameras, yung mga camera na ginamit para makuha yung street view sa Google Maps. And those are 360 cameras. Hindi ako bumili ng 360 camera. This is a different device or different camera. But probably in the future, hopefully makabili ako ng 360 camera from them. For now, I want to show you what's in this box. It is called Insta360 GO. It is an action camera, and I'm gonna show you why is it so interesting for me, kung bakit binili ko siya agad from China. So, let's unbox this. Meron ako ditong kutsilyo. I'm so excited. Let me just show you the box itself, guys, para makita nyo. Okay. So it was delivered by FedEx. So they delivered it for a couple of days after being shipped out from China. Siguro mga 3 days. And they have free delivery, kaya maganda yon. Kasi anything na over $129, it is gonna be free. I'm gonna link the website or the link where I ordered this para makita nyo kung saan ko yan in order. So there's something in the plastic which I'm not sure. I'm just gonna slice it. Guys, promise matutuwa kayo dito pag na-unbox ko. This is just for customs. It's more like details. So this is the box. As you can see, it's Insta360 and it's really sealed. Okay, here. Ano ba? Paano ba ito buksan? Paano ayaw naman nila pabuksan sa akin ito? Guys, ayaw nilang pabuksan yung box. Kasi literal, guys, I've only received this 2 days ago. And hindi ko talaga siya in-unbox para sa inyo, para makita nyo kung ano yung nasa loob, kung gusto nyo bumili. At least you know what to expect when you ordered. Guys, wait. Ay, sorry po. Sorry po. Okay. And there are bubble wraps in here. Sobrang laki ng box na to. Napakaliit naman pala. Ay, napakaliit. Napakaliit ito, tingnan mo. Pero para siguro hindi mabasag kasi nga fragile siya, guys. Kasi it's a camera. So there, it's the Insta360. Guys, sorry, inaano ko kasi Osmo Pocket. I'm not using my mirrorless camera. Kaya I have to use my phone as a viewfinder para mag-focus dun sa product. So that's it. And you can put it on your chest using the magnet pendant. And then you can use it as a point. What is that? A pivot stand. Yan o, kita nyo nasa bintana, pivot stand. And then on this other side, there are more use for it. It's a sticky base. So you can see dun sa harapan ng babae, dun sa kalan. Or not sa kalan, yung exhaust of the kalan pala. And then you can see it's the easy clip. Ayun dun sa ulo ng bata. And then you have this. Oh, sobrang liit. So there, guys, this is the Insta360. Sorry na po ang haba ng kuko ko. Kapagalitan na ako ng monitor. Pero malinis naman po yan. So this is the camera. I'm gonna show you. This is just the charging case. And yung dot na yan, that's a LED indicator. So probably that's something na will tell you if it's charging or not. How do you remove this? Okay. So you can remove the cap, cover siya. You can remove it. Guys, magnetize siya. Sobrang lakas ng magnet. See? So that's the camera. So 2 grams nga lang siya. Sobrang gaan niya. So ito yung magnetic base niya. Yun yung mga pin for charging. And this I believe is the additional magnet para sa mga accessories. Dun sa case naman, you can see the pin. So let's just put it back. Oh, okay. May light din pala dito, guys, sa camera itself. There. Here. So that's an indicator naman when it's charging. This one could be removed para sa lightning connector for iPhone or iPad. So, kasi talagang for iPhone siya or iOS for now, pero meron ditong adapter for Android, so micro USB or USB-C. I'm gonna show you the accessories in it. So, quickly lang guys, the accessories includes the pivot stand, the pendant, tsaka yung ano pa ba yung isa? Basta yung kaya binili ko siya kasi sobrang daming accessory kasama na you don't have to pay extra to get them. So that's an advantage when you get this camera. So this is says keep me, reapply this cover between uses to keep the base sticky. Keep me. So, natatanggal to, yun o guys, super sticky siya. Tapos, nag-magnetize siya dito sa camera. So, tama nga sila, may hirap tanggalin yung cap cover sa charging case, kaya you have to be careful. So, this is the camera again. And this is the sticky base. Tapos, magnetize siya guys. And then, this is something that you stick on the wall or kung saan man. That's one accessory guys. The second accessory would be, ito yung clip sa pag may cap ka. So, you just put it here. So, yan. Tapos ilalagay mo yan sa cap mo. Iipit mo siya sa cap mo. Dito. Okay, so that's two. So, ito yung isa sa mga accessories. It's a sticky base as well, guys. So, ang partner nito, guys, is this. So, i-screw in mo lang siya. And there. This is where you put the camera. Okay, so yan. There, nasa loob na siya. Sabi pwede daw idikit sa motor, sa kotse. So that's the third accessory. We have 1, 2, and then 3. The last accessory that we have is ito na yung pendant. This is probably what I will always use out of all the accessories. So, ito yung pendant. There, parang anting-anting. But the magnet pendant should be worn under your shirt with the gray side on your chest. The pendant must not be used if you have a pacemaker. Pacemaker is para sa mga kung sakit sa puso ba. There. And then, you put it under your shirt, and then you get the camera, and then you stick it here. Alright, diba guys? So you can see it in there. Nakadikit lang siya. Hindi siya nahuhulog, guys. So, magnetic, strong magnet talaga siya. And it came with charging cable, the usual micro USB charging cable. And then, ito yung adapter for USB-C, for those na naka-USB-C na lagi naman for USB-C. You can see there's sticker from Insta360. There. Yun lang naman ang laman ng box. So, I'm gonna show you what are the accessories and what they're for. So, what are included in this camera, guys? In this camera, what you can expect is that it has an app on its own na pwede mong i-download sa iPhone mo or sa Android phone mo kasi it still works. That is gonna help you with auto editing. So nag-auto edit na siya. Pretty much lahat naman na ngayon ng camera may auto edit katulad ng Osmo DJI Pocket ko. And then it says here, it's water resistant. It's IP4X lang ata to. Or IPX4. Basta IPX4 means water resistant lang siya. It could take splashes or raindrops, pero hindi siya pwedeng ma-submerge sa water kasi nga hindi siya for that. Ngayon, it says hands-free. You can connect through Bluetooth. It says mount anywhere. It can take hyperlapse. It can also stabilize videos kasi di ba pag action camera dapat ini-stabilize niya yung mga shaky videos. So yun yung features nito. What else? Gusto ko pang makita. Gusto kong mapakita sa inyo kung anong special dito sa Insta360 GO. Oh, it could also take slow motion. And yun isa yun sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko binili. Ganda ng slow motion. And then it shows here it only shoots 30 to 60 second clips. So hindi siya pang matagalan na video pero super mabilis lang talaga siya. So para lang talaga siya sa mga on-the-go people. Anytime, anywhere, you can edit it and tutulungan ka ng AI nung app itself. And it says here, it is the world's smallest stabilized camera. Actually, it says here you can submerge for up to 10 seconds, but it's not designed for prolonged submersion underwater. So, para sa akin, hindi pa rin ibababad sa tubig. Kung gano'n. It says here it has different aspect ratio. You have the 16:9, 1:1, or 9:16. You can take 200 clips a day, averaging 18 seconds each. Okay, so ngayon, doon na tayo sa specs. It only weighs, did I say 2 grams earlier? Sorry guys, mali ako doon. It's not 2 grams. It is, the camera itself is, the small camera, it's 18.3 grams. With the charging case, it weighs 43.3 grams. White lang yung color na. So that's 1080 at 25 frames per second yung video resolution niya. Which is maganda na, that's HD video already. For the slow motion, it says here, it's 1600 by 900 at 100 FPS. Which is pag na-convert siya sa app, pag in-upload mo siya from the app, it's 1600 by 900 at 25 frames per second. So maganda na yun. Mataas yung photo resolution niya. It's 3040 by 3040. And then when you exported it, it's actually high resolution, guys. So if those are too technical with you, it's okay. You don't have to really base it in there. Basta nasabi ko lang, it's clear. It says here the compatible devices are iOS, iPhone 11, iPhone XS, iPhone 7, 7 Plus. So iPhone 7 and up, lahat compatible na iPhone, including the iPad Pro and iPad 2018. For Android, it works. It says here it supports on-the-go or OTG. as long as the Android version is 7.1.1 or above. So since it doesn't have any external storage, means hindi ka pwede maglagay ng memory card. It only has 8 gigabytes of onboard storage, which for me is enough kasi that's enough na for me. That can definitely store about 100 clips that is 15 seconds long. So guys, that is the Insta360 GO camera. I will upload another video with my feedback or review. Titingnan ko kung maganda talaga siya or very useful siya for someone na on the go or lagi nagta-travel. Makikita nyo rin yung mga sample clips. I will upload that video very soon. So for now, that's it. I thank you for taking your time and watching this unboxing video of mine for the Insta360 GO. And see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye!